Hi, this is Chen from Department of English Language and Literature, Yangtze University. In this video, I will demonstrate how to conduct literature review with the software VOSviewer. Firstly, VOSviewer is a software for constructing and visualizing bibliometric networks. These networks include journals, researchers, or individual publications, and they can be constructed based on citation, bibliographic coupling, co-citation, or co-authorship relations. VOSviewer also offers text mining functionality that can be used to construct and visualize co-occurrence networks of important terms extracted from a body of scientific literature. Here is my writing sample of using VOSviewer to investigate the previous scholarly studies related to my topic. VOSviewer in this paper is a small but very imperative part. My project was about political speeches conducted by Chinese leaders in global stage. The register is political speech. So before I settled down my research methodologies, I looked through other related research and used VOSviewer to help me draw a picture in this area. As you can see on the right, there is a network picture about the keyword political speech. I used over 2,000 articles published between the year of 1970 to 2021 from the Web of Science, and then I applied VOSviewer to get this picture. It is obvious that there are 5 clusters in this picture with different colors. So in the next part, I will show you how to use VOSviewer to draw an overview picture about the topics you are interested in. The first step is to download VOSviewer. You can download it from its website. You can Google VOSviewer and then you can come here and download. You can download the versions according to your computer. My computer is a Windows system, so I download this one. And after downloaded, you can install it step by step. It's very easy. And the next step is to go to the school library. Of course, you can go to the Web of Science by Google, but you are not authorized to have access to some papers, so you'd better go to the school library. And most of schools have access to Web of Science, and then go to the database and find Web of Science. Here, Web of Science, and then we go to its website. Change language to English. In my research, in my demo, I want to show the hotspots about research on Mary Shelley. So I type in Mary Shelley and search. Here, as it shows, there are over 1,000 papers about Mary Shelley. So we need to click them, and page by page, it's a little troublesome, but be patient and choose all of them. Choose all of these literaries, but you should notice that sometimes these research are not about Mary Shelley. You need to check them sometimes. For example, in this page, in this one, the morphology of it is not about Mary Shelley, so we need to untick it. And also, this one, it's not about Mary Shelley. And this one, and then untick them. And in the next page, nearly most of them are irrelative to Mary Shelley, so we needed to choose it. So here we got over 500 papers, and export the paper information in RIS. Remember, it is RIS format, and then export its full record. Full record include author, title, source, abstract, and keywords, etc. And export. Wait a moment. Now we get this file. And the next step is to go to Web of Science. You have downloaded it, and then create a project. And in my research, I want to analyze the bibliographic data, so choose the second one. Go to the next step, and then although we got our paper from Web of Science, but you remember we use its RIS format, so you'd better choose this one. Go to the next step and choose your files. This one, okay. Next step, And of course, you can choose co-authorship or other things you want to analyze. And here I want to analyze its keywords, and so choose co-occurrence and keywords. Go to the next step, and as it shows, minimum number of occurrence is 5, so we get 26. 26 keywords, but it's a little the number is a little small, so we need to lower this threshold, and to 4 or 7 4 or 3, we can get more keywords, and I choose 4, and we get 45 keywords. Go to the next step. Next, and here is a table of the keywords, but some of them are very unnecessary, such as Mary Shelley, Percy Mary Shelley, and Shelley Mary. This kind of thing we need to unkick them off, and then finish. Yes. Here we got a picture about the co-occurrence of the keywords, and as you can see, generally there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 clusters of the keywords, and we can see that the research about Mary Shelley are clustered in research on Frankenstein and science fiction and bioethics and romanticism or the collaboration, this kind of thing. And of course, this picture is not so perfect because we only got 45 keywords. If there are more paper, and there will be more keywords, and the picture will be more wonderful. And of course, you can choose other ways to show your pictures, or you can choose other things to analyze. This is a very useful software to conduct a literary analysis or conduct a analysis about text, etc. But today I will just show this one, and it's all. And after this, you can choose to screenshot your picture and choose a PNG file, demo, and save. And then we get the picture like this. Yeah, and you can copy this picture to your paper